I wonder why we sometimes feel this need to emphasize how special or important a specific day or a specific event is, and why we put so much pressure on ourselves to make certain events or certain days go just perfectly. It's Christmas Eve right now at my house, and several of us seem to be coming down with colds. And I know for my kids this is disappointing because nobody really wants to be sick on a holiday. And I used to really get hung up on that when things like that would happen. The unexpected would show up and my plans and the thing I was really looking forward to wouldn't happen. And I would also have this kind of underlying sense of guilt and scarcity that, oh my goodness, I don't know if I'll ever have a Christmas like that again, or I don't know if I'll ever be with this person again, and who knows where we're all going to be next year. And that's one way to view it, but I'm trying to learn to view it instead from an abundance mindset, from a sense of, I know that these people love me and I love them, and I may not be able to do what I thought I'd do this year, but that doesn't mean it's never going to happen again. And it doesn't mean I'm never going to see any of them again. And it doesn't mean that I don't have all the good memories from the previous times we've been together. So even if something terrible happens to someone, which heaven forbid, that's not what I'm aiming for, of course, or wanting, but even if that does happen, it doesn't take away the previous memories and the previous good times and the relational joy that I have from that person. And so that shift in perspective has really helped me when things like this happen, where I can't do something I'd really like to, or where I can't attend a specific event I was thinking of attending. That's been a really helpful mindset shift for me. And so I just wanted to share that with you going into the holidays in case they are not exactly what you were hoping for, to let go of any extra guilt you may be carrying from that, or any sense of scarcity, any sense of it's the last time, or things are so different, or I may never have this opportunity again. I don't find those thoughts helpful in helping me cope with the here and now of this holiday doesn't quite look the way I thought it would. And so if you're finding that you're struggling with those kinds of feelings, I just want to encourage you that life, more often than not, gives us additional opportunities, gives us additional chances. It's very rare and unlikely that we are hitting the last opportunity or the last chance. And even if we were, and even if we missed that chance that we thought was going to be the last one, it doesn't take away all those other times previous. Those other Christmases that I've had with all of my family together, those other family reunions where we all made it, it doesn't take those things away.